Hey there! Did you know that the elements can transform your living space into a serene sanctuary? Sounds intriguing, right? Well, stick around because I'm about to show you how to add fire, earth, wind, and water to your home. Alright, so let's dive into this concept. Incorporating the elements of fire, earth, wind, and water into your home design can create a perfect balance and bring a sense of tranquility. These elements aren't just for your backyard or nature, they can be integrated into your living space to enhance your mood and well-being. Now, let's talk about a common issue many of us face. A lot of homes today lack a connection to nature and the elemental forces around us. This disconnection can lead to feelings of stress and chaos in our lives. You might feel overwhelmed or just not at peace when you're at home. Without these natural elements, our spaces can feel sterile and uninspiring. So, how do we bridge this gap? Well, that's what we're going to explore today. Let's break it down. First up, fire. This element can be integrated through lighting and warmth. Think about cozy candles, fireplaces, or even warm-toned light fixtures. They not only provide light but also create a welcoming atmosphere. Next is earth. You can bring in natural materials like wood, stone, and plants. They connect you to the earth and provide grounding energy. Think wood furniture, stone countertops, or even a simple potted plant. Now, let's talk about wind. It's all about airflow and freshness. Open those windows. Use sheer curtains to let in sunlight and breeze. Adding indoor plants can also enhance airflow while bringing life into your space. Lastly, we have water. This element is all about creating a soothing ambience. Consider adding a small fountain or aquariums. The sound of flowing water is incredibly calming and can transform your space into a peaceful retreat. Now, here's the exciting part. Imagine walking into a room that beautifully integrates all four elements. Picture this, a cozy living room with a fireplace flickering, wooden furniture surrounding you, lush green plants in every corner, and a small fountain gently bubbling in the background. This stunning transformation can take your living space from ordinary to extraordinary. I've got some before and after visuals to show you just how impactful these changes can be. So, to wrap things up, adding these elements to your home not only makes it more visually appealing but also promotes harmony and well-being. You'll feel more connected to nature, and your home will become a sanctuary where you can unwind and recharge. Now I want to hear from you. What's your favorite element to incorporate into your home decor? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.